I will share 3 methods for creating shortcuts to folders or files on the desktop in Windows 11. Using right-click context menu, navigate to the file, folder, or application you want to create a shortcut for in File Explorer. Right-click on the item. Select Show More Options to open the classic context menu. Click on Send to, and then choose Desktop, Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut on your desktop. Drag and drop method. Open File Explorer and locate the file, folder, or application you want to create a shortcut for. Click and hold the item with your mouse, then drag it to the desktop. While dragging, hold down the Alt key. This will create a shortcut instead of moving the item. Using the desktop context menu, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. Select New from the context menu. Click on Shortcut. In the Create Shortcut wizard, browse to find the file, folder, or application or enter its path manually. Click Next, name your shortcut, and then click Finish. The new shortcut will appear on your desktop. Also watch our other tutorials on Windows 11. Please subscribe to Dozro channel.